putting of formula in Microsoft Excel. So let's say for instance here you want to calculate something related to, let's say, salary of staff in an organization. So first of all, we need to get the details of this staff in that organization. So the first name here we have, let's assume we have Amina, Amina Idris. So if you have Amina Idris, don't think it's your name we're using here, but it's just a data we're looking for so that we'll not use void information to create anything there. So you can see the space here is too small, so we have to expand the space. So we need to come here and this space has to show us what a crosshair like this, showing this kind of cross, a crosshair that has two angle mounts by the side. So after getting it, then you drag it so that you have enough space where your information will go on. So you can see I've expanded it. Then let's say the second person name I'm trying to put here. Let's say John John Carlin. John Carlin. Then let's say the next person again. Let's say we have Aminu Adam. Let's say the next name here we have, let's say Ojo Ola. And the next name here we have maybe Obi Kalu. Let's say another name again. Let's have like data for, let's say, 5 or 6 people. We already have 5. Let me add one to it. Let's say here is Imin. Okay, let's say the name is Imin Imen Reya. Alright, so after getting the names, then the next thing we are going to do here, so here should be name of staff, name of staff. Then the next column here should be the basic salary. Okay, so we'll come here. Sorry, alright, here basic salary. Alright, so we're expanding here. Let me expand this side so that the space should be enough to carry the salary. So the basic salary should be in Naira. The basic salary should be in Naira. So I will click on Shift, click open bracket, click on my Naira sign and close it. Still, the space is not enough. So I will still come back there. Okay, I will still come back there and drag it. So if that crosshair for dragging is not doing for you, what you will do, just come to an empty space like this one now and come here, you see it's showing. So take note of that. Apart from the basic salary, then the next thing we are putting here after basic salary, let's say TP, there should be TP transport for the staff. Then apart from transport for the staff, then TP also should be in Naira. So I'm putting the sum of Naira, open bracket, Naira, close the bracket, sorry, close the bracket. Then the next one again, let's say, apart from TP, let's say allowances. Let's say that is allowance or bonus. Let's say that is bonus for each of the staff every month. Alright, apart from the bonus, then let's say the staff are also collecting loan in the organization. Then here should be the main salary. Okay, salary after deduction. Here should be salary, that's main salary. Okay, that's after deduction. Main salary after deduction. Let's say this is what we're using. MSAD, main salary after deduction. That means after the loan, and if the person is into payment of pension, that one can also be part of it. But now let's go with this. So from there, then what we are going to do, we need to have our working space. But before creating our working space, let me center match this. Okay, so by selecting this site, whereby I will put the title of my project, so I will match and center it. Now that I've matched and center, you can see here is blank. So here I will type salary voucher, voucher for this month. We're in April 2026. Let me put the name of the organization here so that we represent our organization. Let's say the name of the foundation is DNU, DNU Construction, Construction, sorry, Construction, DNU Construction voucher for April 2026. So now that I've known my working area, working environment, so I'm going to outline it so that I'll have my margin. So the down here, this last part here should be where I'm putting my total in. So after doing that, then after selecting that, while I'm on that space, you can see my cursor is within here. I will right click. After right clicking, I'll go to format cell. When I go there, after clicking on it, I'll go to border, then I'll outline it. If I click outline, then I'll click OK. You can see I've outlined it. You can see here it's already having its color. I think the color should be green. It has been selected. It can be black or green. It depends on what your is. What is black, you can see it's black. If you go out, you see that it's black. So after doing that, then here is the total for each of the event being done. That's for the salary. Total for all your staff salary should come down here. Total for all the TP should come down here. So that if you are raising money for TP as a CEO of organization, you know how much you are releasing. Even loan, you should know how much you are releasing at the end of the day and how much are you taking back from your staff every month. Even here, the main salary, this is where the main salary is. Okay, this is where the main salary is. Or I can represent it as what? M salary. Let it be M salary. Salary. So here, this is how it's done. Okay, let me just reduce it backwards. So this is where the main salary is. So after doing that, then now we are going to insert value for the salary. Let's say this person is collecting 120,000. This person is collecting 150,000. Let's say this person is collecting 150,000. This person is collecting 160,000. Okay, so this person also is collecting, let's say 200,000, and this person is collecting 170,000. Then for the TP, let's assume everybody is collecting the same amount of money for TP. This person is collecting 30,000. So if they are all collecting the same amount, instead for you to type all this down, what you do, just come here. Once if you are seeing this cross, you draw it down to where you want it to store. Since it's the same repetition, then you leave it like this. You can see you don't have to type it again. Then after doing that, let's say the bonus. Let's assume this person is collecting 20,000 as bonus. Let's assume everybody is collecting the same amount of money for bonus. Even this one will drag it. But if it's different value, you have to type it separately. So you drag it here. So and apart from that again, but sometimes the bonus can be based on percentage. That one you have to insert the formula separately. And we are going to make a video on that also. Then loan, let's assume each person collected loan of 40,000 naira, or each person is paying back loan of 40,000 naira every month. So let's drag it. I'm dragging this so that we not waste much time on this video. So after doing that, you can see, then now we want to know the main salary of each person. So here, this is where the main work comes. Here we are going to insert the formula. So the formula we are using here is going to be equals to sum. Then we have to check the line. Where does the line start from of the main value we are calculating? So you can see the main value of the money is started from under the C, and which number here is 4. That's C4. Then you write open brackets. You put open brackets. That's C4. Alright, to what number that is addition? You can see C4, D4, E4, they are all addition. So you just put semicolon here. That's from here up to E4. When you reach there, then we close the brackets. And we are minusing something because the loan is minus, it's subtraction. So we are deducting the loan. Since we are deducting the loan, then we put our minus sign here. So if you're getting any value from this video, kindly like and subscribe this video and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a video like this, YouTube will send you a notification. Alright, so from there, the next thing is loan. This loan falls under F4. That means minus F4, but we have to put it inside bracket, open bracket, F4. Then we close the bracket, then we click enter. You can see the value has shown. After all the deduction, this person is collecting 130,000 naira. Then let us do for the rest. We don't have to type it again or type the formula again. We just drag it down. After dragging it down, you can see this is what this person is collecting. This John Carlin is collecting 160,000 naira after when the loan has been deducted from the main salary, the bonus, and whatever. Okay, from the bonus, from the basic salary, from the TP. This is what this person is collecting 160,000, this person 150,000, 160,000 continuously. So now, what is remaining for us to do now is total for each of these. For the basic salary, total for the transportation, total for bonus. As an organization, you need to know how much are you taking out, and sometimes you may decide not to give the bonus immediately at the same time with the salary. So if that's the case, if you are removing that one, you know what to do. So what we are going to do here, we are going to click on shift and then we drag it to the last end of the values here. Then we drag it down, but we will leave this down line empty. After doing that, then we'll come to the person. Then we'll do it. You can see as well. So that means at the end of this month of April, the new construction is going to take out 940,000 naira as basic salary, and for transport 180,000 naira, for bonus is 120,000 naira, for loan that means that one the money the organization will deduct it, which is going to be their own, that's 240,000 naira, and the salary for the staff for that month after every addition and subtraction is 1 million naira. So thank you for watching. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the notification bell so that whenever you upload a video like this, YouTube will send you notification. See you in our next